Welcome to our channel. In today's video, we'll guide you through how to beat Tomcat in Kingdom Come: Deliverance 2, a challenging opponent in the game. Tomcat can be a tough opponent, but with the right strategy and preparation, you can defeat him. Let's dive in. Step 1. Understand Tomcat's fighting style. Before facing Tomcat, it's important to understand his combat style. Aggressive attacks. Tomcat uses quick, aggressive strikes, so be ready to block or dodge frequently. Countering. He often tries to break your guard, so keep your defense high and time your counters well. Stamina. Keep an eye on your stamina, as fighting Tomcat requires careful management of both your attacks and defense. Step 2. Improve your skills. Tomcat will challenge your combat abilities, so make sure you've worked on the following. Sword fighting. Practice your swordplay skills, particularly block and riposte, counterattacks. Agility. Make sure your agility and stamina are high enough to dodge and maintain good movement. Combat mastery. Get familiar with combos and counterattacks, as they'll help you gain an upper hand. Step 3. Equip the right gear. Choose your best armor and weapons for this fight. You'll want light armor. While heavy armor gives you defense, it can slow you down. Opt for something that gives you a good balance between defense and mobility. Fast weapon. A sword or other fast weapon that allows quick strikes and counters is ideal. Potions. Bring healing potions and stamina boosters. These will help you stay in the fight longer. Step 4. The fight, tips, and strategy. When facing Tomcat, here are a few things to keep in mind. Block and counter. Focus on defending and waiting for Tomcat to make an opening. When he strikes, try to block or dodge and immediately counterattack. Dodge and move. Tomcat's quick attacks can overwhelm you if you stay in one spot. Keep moving and dodging to avoid getting trapped in a corner. Use ripostes. After blocking an attack, perform a riposte, counterattack, to damage him. Timing is crucial here, so don't rush. Watch your stamina. If you run out of stamina, you won't be able to block effectively. Take it slow and use your stamina wisely, especially when attacking. Break his guard. Tomcat is skilled at defending, but you can break his guard with powerful strikes. Use these sparingly to avoid draining your stamina too quickly. Step 5. After the fight. Once you've defeated Tomcat, you might be rewarded with experience points and loot. Make sure to check for any items or equipment that might help you on your next challenges. By following these steps, you'll be able to defeat Tomcat in Kingdom Come: Deliverance 2. Remember, patience, timing, and strategy are key to winning this duel. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like the video for more tips and tricks on Kingdom Come: Deliverance. Happy battling!